What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be replacing finally these speakers, these broken speakers, and I'm going to repair the connections. I'm going to put the OEM connections again for the new speakers. So the connections that I was talking about are this one, and this one right here that I put in the last video of the speakers. I'm going to leave it right here, and I'm going to put the OEM ones again. This is the OEM because I have the connection for this OEM one. You can see like this, and that's it. And I'm going to put this OEM one with the new speakers. And here I have the speakers that I'm going to use. These are 6.5 inches, like this one right here. And yes, I'm going to use this one. You can use whatever brand you want. So yes, now I'm going to take out everything right here. So first of all, I'm going to take out this seat and this seat. For taking out this seat, you only need to pull right here and pull right here. And for this one you are going to have 3 bolts that you are going to take out. So here we have the 3 bolts, this one right here, this one, and that one. And you just need to pull this up, and then you can take out all of this. These bolts are 12 millimeter. So after taking this off, we are going to take out this, and we need to first take out the brake light, and then from the trunk you are going to pull this off. So to take out the brake light, you just need to take out this nut right here, and this one, and the bolt, the bolt is going to be right here. So after you take out the brake light, you just need to pull this from the trunk, and it's going to get loose. So after that, now we can take out this speaker just with the bolts right here, and that's it. And these are the connections that I'm going to take out to put the OEM one. I'm going to cut this heat shrink with just one of these, this one and this one right here. And then I'm going to take out the soldering iron, and yes, I'm going to put the new ones. So now with the soldering iron, I'm going to take out that welding, and I'm going to put the OEM connectors. So I was desoldering this, but I think it's easier to cut just a little bit, and then I'm going to strip this. Here you can see the old ones. Now I'm going to strip it and put the OEM connectors and test the new speakers. So now I have the plug connected, and with the heat shrink. Important to put the heat shrink before you are going to do this, because after you cannot put that. And I have the connector and the new speaker, and here too. Now I'm going to test it. So here I already have everything welded. And now I'm going to put the heat shrink with the silicone paste, and then I'm going to put the speakers. So I just put this bracket. This bracket came with the speakers in the box with the speakers. And yes, I just need to put the speaker here, and that's it. So you can see I already have the speakers. Now I'm going just to put this cover here, and that's it for the installation. So I just finished putting this bracket on, you can see. Now I'm going to put the thing that was in here. I'm going to connect the speakers and put again the seats. So you can see I have everything installed. I know that the whole of this thing is ugly, and that one also, but there are the 2 speakers and the seats. So yes, I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.